Hello, what's your name?
Hello, I'm Patrick.
Hi, nice to meet you, Patrick.
Yes.
Let me know, how was the experience here in Zylostar in this event?
This event is very amazing.
Nice.
There is many skills and strategies. I get more knowledge from this training.
Very good.
Before I used to watch tutorials on YouTube
Okay.
and I pass something not going deeply.
Okay.
But according to advanced strategies you teach us, give me another motivation.
To start the advance
To
and
start-
go deep in the market.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, because the market is very huge
Yeah,
actually.
true.
You need to
And
understand.
what I think there, why I didn't start this before.
Okay, yeah, you
and
should
this
start.
motivates me very well, and I'm going to start. It's like I'm fresh new, no more loss, profit only.
Yeah,
You the-
white space in your mind now. Okay,
Yeah,
and we'll
true.
start create new things.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, nice to meet you,
Thank
and have a good day.
Okay, thank you,
You're
thank you.
welcome.